Hi everyone, today we're gonna make a versus between a cheap material versus an expensive one. Here I have Posca marker that you know really well. That is a paint marker that are so nice. And in the other side we have this are Niutop markers that are paint markers too, and I'm gonna be honest with you, that's new for me, and I give you my honest opinion about both markers. And I hope you enjoy my new t-shirt. It's about cat. I love cat. So let's start. Before we start, I'm gonna make a drawing to use him for paint with the markers. Now guys, we have two identical drawings to start. A nice point about these markers is they are perfect to add details cause they're extra fine tip. Don't apply too much pressure when you are painting with these markers cause I really like the colors cause they are really bright. These markers are really easy to use. The flow is nice. I make a mistake. The color wasn't dry, but that's okay. I only have to cover with another color. I only have two situations with these colors. The first one was the time that you have to use to cover a big area, and the second one was the green. Yes, the green. I don't have dark green in that pack. Both green are almost the same, but And here we have the ship joint, and it's amazing. That materials are nice in my opinion. Now let's move on to the Posca markers. What can I say about Posca's markers? Okay, they are nice, amazing, the color are bright, the flow is really nice. The only thing that I don't like about Posca is the price. But you are paying for a nice material. Talk to me, follow in my Instagram. In the screen gonna appear, but my Instagram is Rolando Arts with Z, and I give you my opinion, tips about drawing, etc. Here we have the final result about Posca markers drawing. I think it's so nice, good, and I feel happy with the results, both results. And we have the resort here. I'm gonna be honest with you, the resort about Niutop are amazing, and Posca is Posca. You know, the resort is really nice. And if you like the video, don't forget to give me a nice like, share with your friend, and bye bye.